What's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going, guys? Sorry, just got a bit late. There was some work being done in the house. What's going on? How's it going? What are you watching, guys? NRBO. I've been smelling silicone all day, so not a very good idea to be trading right off the gate. it's like being drunk. What are we looking at? So that's the watch list. What are you guys looking at? ATXG. ATXG is popping. It's breaking the high of the actually ATXG. There it goes, and the yesterday's high I believe is there, 624, and is attacking the pre-market high as well as yesterday's high. So that seems to be quite a big number for me. Let's see if it starts to break that. But we might see some sort of a rejection as well. This is still early to call. There's a rejection coming in, but that's still early. And beat, what's beat doing? I'm not really trusting the beat's move, really, to be honest. The catalyst behind this is not very strong. So it's kind of difficult to trade as well. The borrows on this one is going to be quite expensive, right? If you were to buy it for a pullback, then you know, it's kind of, now I'm not interested in this either way, because if I want to short it, I'm a little bit short biased because of the phase. Is it phase based fundamentals news, or is something else? If it's stronger fundamentals, then yeah, maybe for longs, but shorts very expensive. ATXG is popping, there it goes, halted and breaks that level without any problems. This is strong, guys, very strong. So yeah, breaks the yesterday's high, breaks today's high of day easily, and then just that those levels, pre-market high and yesterday's high, is no issue whatsoever. Now if you were really paying attention to this, it breaks it but then pulls back to exactly to the level, and then just bounces off of it, never looks back. So yeah, and then halt comes in. Lovely. Nice. NRBO, for sure. NRBO, I was looking at it, but NRBO is one of those that has done a split, a reverse split. So I am more of a short biased on it. Look at the rejection. Look at the difference between the attack on the high of the yesterday's highs. Just complete rejection. Now it's you know, faded off. Whereas ATXG, just, you know, every single level, you know, got taken out with really consistent volume. So that's the difference. Beat is, if I had good catalyst behind this, I would be long now, to be honest on it. I'm really not sure about the catalyst. Something to do with patent. Patent's better than the phase 1, phase 2 trials and stuff like that. Patent definitely is a stronger one, so this might be better actually. Longs are better opportunity on this one for sure. Patent yeah, patent seems to be slightly much stronger than the other ones. Plug. Let's have a look at plug. Oh, plug daily looks certainly interesting. Yep, for sure. Breaking the multi-day breakout. 2960s, 2990s. Yeah, it does look interesting for sure. Nice little pennant pattern. Huge congestion here. Looks interesting. Very good. We might be a bit late on that though. Look at that break there. Look at that break. Sorry, I'm a bit delayed on the responses on the chat. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Daily, I mean, it's not the best of the dailies, but overall, if you look at it from a bigger picture perspective, yes, it did look very interesting, especially on the break of yesterday's highs. For sure, that's a really good call. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even realize. Hopefully, yeah, it's gonna start to move in the direction we want it to. But looking at the things, it's been moving a lot. I mean, yesterday, whew, I think I missed a lot of opportunities yesterday, but hopefully today will bring some decent opportunities, which it is bringing. I'm just not trading them. Plug has decent short interest. How much is the short interest on Plug? Doo-doo-doo. ATX is still waiting on that. Let me put that for charts. Okay. NRBO is just about to drift down. It seems like if it does break the lows, 25s actually, it just seems like a fall to 24s and 22s. It just looks like it, but with these ones, you got to be very careful because there's a lot of fun, or it can be manipulated easily. However, the price isn't that low, but we're talking a really low float. I mean 130, 30 to 1, or sorry, 1 to 30 reverse split. ATXG probably going for another halt. Crazy move, crazy move. NRBO, I might short around this area here. 26 to 26.60, 60 cents or 70 cents possible stop. Yeah, I might be late on that. Sorry. I think I'm late on that. Shoot, NRBO, freaking hell, man. Yeah, I've missed it, guys. So yeah, I should have. It was just a bit too quick. Just a bit too quick. Beautiful though, beautiful. It's just beautiful setup there. You know, on a normal day I would have taken that without any hesitation. Um, Unfortunately, we're talking about this one, by the way, guys. If you NRBO, if anybody's joining or watching the recording, we're talking about shorting it under. I was mentioning under 26 here, And I was mentioning until 24, it looks like a fall, an empty, a void basically, which means it's gonna, it's not gonna have that much of a support to go there. So it actually went to 24. So that would have probably been the first partial, very, very quick first partial. And until 22 as well. This has a lot of room, guys. This is one of those that I love to trade. And I was telling the stream as well, guys, that NRBO is going to give us huge, potentially huge trades in the next coming days, this week especially. So hopefully that's the case. What's up, Prime? Prime Dubbing, what's up? Welcome, buddy, welcome. Yeah, I just missed a trade, a decent trade on NRBO, unfortunately. So what's our ATXG doing? ATXG is just basically flying, really. Is really volatile. It's done one halt only, but I thought this was going to be another halt, and it didn't. Usually when it does tend to try to halt and then rejects, that's when the reversals happen. So let's see what happens on ATXG. But this one has a lot of demand. It's all about supply and demand, guys. Like you can tell by the price action how much of a demand there is to it. Our SPY is also trying to bounce, but SPY is, in yeah, NRBO was kind of, our variation. I would say variation, kind of slightly variation second, variation 2 of the PBAW. So yeah, I mean, you can see tries to this was my confirmation. I wasn't really sure of it was a bit too early here. Oasis, when it starts to this, remember this at this point was like you might be thinking this is reversal, but rejection came in instantly, right? It tried to poke its head up, came back down instantly. That's your confirmation, and those are the ones that really sort of you have an edge on. That's why I love to trade those. But apart from that, let's not go too much into detail on that. There it goes. This is exactly what I look for on a trade. Bigger, much bigger. Anyways, whoever follows me, they know how I trade. So just repeating myself. SPY is breaking out the high of day broke on SPY. So are we seeing a positive day today on SPY? I think we might, because the thing is, have a look at the daily on it. Let me change the daily. Here we go. Yeah, so basically, look, right here, this was created quite a few days ago, and look at the bounce coming in from the intraday, daily trend line. Look at that, and it's coming in strong. Now that's holding up. Huge day, huge red day. Usually with these huge, massive red days, if we don't have a gap down, then there's no panic in the market at all. So you can expect a dead cat bounce or a reversal coming in, which it is coming in today. Yesterday it tried to do that. In fact, yesterday ending up like that is kind of like a telltale sign that it doesn't want to go down from this move down. So now SPY seems strong, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, I know, man. I know, but listen, it's not about. It's not gonna be that easy to catch up with the strategies. There's a lot of things behind it, It's and it's only one strategy we're talking about right now, and there's so many intricacies or whatever you want to call them. It's like, for me, it's quite natural But for someone who's trying the strategies, they have to be thinking a lot about, is it really the strategy? Is it not? It's kind of, it can get a bit confusing. But once you start to see it over and over, yeah, dude, look, it's gonna happen. It's definitely gonna pretty normal, to be honest. If I would be really surprised if you actually, you have to give time.